coming straight to us.
Yep.
Straight to us, look. Straight to us, look. It is on the ground.
Oh,
look.
my God.
Oh, it just busted. Look, look, it's tearing shit up.
I can see it.
It's busting power lines. Oh, it's coming right across 95 and that semi truck's going right through it. Oh, look at the stuff flying in the air. Look.
Crap.
Look at the stuff flying in the air.
I can see it. Sit. Sit. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, listen at it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's tearing shit up. Shit flying. Oh, wow. Oh, look, it got even worse. Oh, my God. Oh, it's tearing stuff up. Whoever was on that, whoever was over there by 95 just lost a lot of roof. Yeah.
Oh my God. It looked like it got close.
No, it's going away. I'm still recording it. Look, here.